All right, who's in charge then? Where's the officer that's in charge? And not enforce the law. When did you get to make that switch? I realize there's discretion.
I don't make policy.
So who decided not to go in for the 4 months that there was an order saying get off the land?
Don't phone somebody.
Go ahead.
We are under no obligation to go in and do anything, sir.
So why do
Oh, I'm sorry. So you're
Prevent a breach of the peace.
So you're under, wait, you're under, hang on. So you're under no obligation to enforce a court order.
Look at the idiot.
So why are you under obligation to enforce the law tonight?
We have discretion of how to enforce the court order.
Isn't that a nice excuse? Isn't that wonderful?
And since you can't enforce the law out there, why aren't there police that you're supposed to be in contact with enforcing the law out there?
Did you read Judge Marshall's order that said basically you have discretion, but you kind of stretch that one just a bit?
I'll use discretion when I'm driving on the highway or decide to break out other laws. I'll use my discretion to how much I want to break it. Is that gonna be good enough on the road? The speed limit's 100 km. I can do 130, 140. Is that my discretion?
Did you get
Is that my discretion or is that the law?
When they carried the chair?
100K on the highway.
That's all you need.
Everybody smile for the camera. Want to make sure we know who's here.
That's our point, guys. That's our point.
I gotta make a call on my lawyer.
How can you allow your country to be taken over like that? And protect them from doing it?
We could be in breach of breaking a court order if we stay on the land, or we could go on the land and stand there and because they might
association with terrorist groups.
Because they might.
The rest of the world is laughing at you right now because you're letting terrorist organisations run this country.
Every other real cop in Canada is
laughing at you. The States is laughing at you. Britain's laughing at you. Don't think they're not because they are. Because you ain't doing your job. Stand up for your rights, turn around and say, let us do our job, end it. That's all you have to do, every one of you.
Sir, to you guys, getting information out there.
The balls to do it.
Saying that, listen, not reporting to the upper echelons that there is no incidents, that there's nothing going on. There is a problem. There is an issue going on here. We are being terrorized. We are having people in our backyards. Our lives are threatened. Our property is threatened. You guys understand that?
That's being done by the OPP on incident reports that we can't get a hold of?
So buried under one incident report,
You proud of
right?
that?
Can't follow up on an issue.
Palestinian flags at the front gate.
It's insane.
Look at no connection.
Sleep well, guys. Oh, yeah. Ladies,
The Hezbollah.
sleep well. Hope you enjoy this.
Oh, they'll probably be back at 1 o'clock this
Every
morning.
country in the world is going to see this country.
Because we deserve it.
Supporting terrorists.
And that's what the report, and that's what the news reports, because it's one big conspiracy between you, the province, and the media to make sure we deserve what we're getting here.
If you can't do your job, just leave. We don't want you here anyway. No one wants you here because you ain't doing your job.
The only reason you're here is a big.
How many jobs are you going to